Mississippi music.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. We're making this Mississippi pot roast recipe. I originally made it. Oops, sorry y'all, I'm being so rude. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back y'all. So I'm doing this Mississippi pot roast recipe that I got off of Threads. The recipe is for birria tacos. It was this black man and he did the Mississippi pot roast style birria tacos and they were so good, y'all. Like, I'm gonna put the link in the comments, but it was at the bottom of my thread, so I'm not gonna scroll all the way down on this video because I need to hurry and put this pot roast on. I'm gonna use my pressure cooker, but I'm gonna just do my pot roast like that and put my veggies and all that in and stuff too. But when I tell you, bomb.
Go to my channel.
Follow Quincy on Instagram at Keep Up With Q. I don't know if I want to listen to music or Jerry. Probably music because I'm kind of tired. Was I talking to you? Of course, we're gonna play My Homegirl.
The Homegirl? That's your favorite song?
No, my phone just died.
You're now listening to Julia. She said, take your time, let's do it. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm right. She said, take your time, let's do it. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm right. I'm a dog, I'm right. I just smoked already, so part of my body. So I got your trust in. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, it's alright. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm right. She said take your time.
So on my pressure cooker, I'm gonna go to brown and saute. And then I'm going to put some olive oil in. Brown and saute, sir. Not yet.
I'm not crying.
After it's been browning for a couple of minutes, I'm gonna flip it over. Dang. That pressure cooker don't play. And throw my onion in.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough, but I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games, what's this all about? And I can't believe you're hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me, but I
Okay, so while that's cooking, it's on 23 minutes. I hit start, I think it was at 35 minutes. So I'm gonna let that cook and then I'm gonna cut up all these veggies. This kind of look like too much, but I'm gonna see if it all fits. So it stopped. The 35 minutes is up. So I'm opening this little stop cop so all the pressure can be released. Okay, so I know it's not done, so I'm not even gonna dig into it right now. I'm just gonna drop these potatoes and carrots in here. And this juice looks so bomb. And I forgot my stick of butter. So I'm going to probably put a stick of butter in there now after adding these veggies and stuff. Adding the carrots and the potatoes. So it's going to keep warm right now. So we're going to do stop and put it back on that beef stew. And I'm going to move it to 45 minutes because I want it to be really tender. Now we're gonna hit start. I usually always mix the vegetarian with the honey. When I tell you the cornbread be bomb, it be bomb.
You so damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. He said he king where we come from. Say I'm quits, no one. So baby, I'ma drive it like a soda. I'ma fix it like a focus. We can catch a flight.
Anybody else gotta clean as they go? Like, that's why my dishwasher is open. I have to literally clean as I go. It's just a must for me. I love these pots. I'll have these linked in the description. So you have your pot and the handles detached, so they're easily stackable like this. And so I literally just snap it on like this, and then you have it like this.
The way you love, the way you wait. There's a way you are, you run something. There's a way you, there's a way you are.
She said, I ain't even make my bed up. Watch your step, you gon' wake my mama and dad up. Girl, didn't I tell you at the damn club? We gon' wake your neighbors, turn your block club to...
Marriage, cures, blows, artisan. There's one thing I want to ask you. Like myself, like another pastor, like a rabbi. Why not look like you belong here, dog?
Okay, here's the meat. Tender. Like so tender. Let me make my plate, I'm hungry.
They be strung out on the street, left the driveway, draw sheets and no deposit. But don't gotta worry, put my hand on your mouth, put my hands in your mouth, girl. We got plans at my house, you know the way. The way you walk, the way you talk, baby. It's the way you